Have multiple Borewells in a spreadsheet? Plot them all, automatically. No more manual pinning. Centralize IDs, photos, status, tasks, instantly with MAPOG. Open story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Choose the story template, add a title and description, enable the task management section, then save. Hit Add Story and pick Add by uploading CSV/Excel. Under Select Point Type. Create a new location type, call it Borewell Properties, set feature to point. Then add attributes like depth, water yield, water quality, and status, and save it. Later, choose the location type you just created. Upload your prepared CSV, set Borewell ID as the unique ID. Match columns to the attributes, map your latitude and longitude under coordinates, and submit points autoplot. Click any Borewell to edit point details, add suitable images, and save. For maintenance, open the Borewell pop-up and press Add Task. Add task title, description, due date, deal value, optional, task type. Here, using the Manage section, you can add different task type. Next, add task status, assign team member, attach photos, and save. Customize visuals via Add Style layer. Choose category. Set status as the attribute. Pick icons and colors. Save. Then use Preview and Share and make the map public to share the link. You can embed the link to any platform or share it using Add User. Perfect for hydrogeologists, municipalities, contractors, and NGOs. Share insights, assign tasks, and track repairs from one map. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.